In this video, I'm going to share with you the simplest 3-step marketing plan that you can use to market any business out there. Hi, my name is Yagit Kukreja and I'm founder of the Marketing Central, a 360-degree digital marketing agency based out of New Delhi, India. And this is the exact same plan that we use for our client businesses to increase awareness, acquire new leads, and turn those leads into paid customers quickly and efficiently. So just stay tuned and keep watching. This entire marketing plan narrows down to only 3 simple words: who, what, and how. In which who stands for who your target audience is, what stands for what you are going to do to bring value to their lives, and finally how stands for how you will communicate that particular value. Now let's just discuss each of them in detail. The first step is to identify who your target audience is. In order to identify that, we'll be looking forward towards their demographic structure, which will include things like their age, gender, income structure, their location, marital status, and so on. Now we will be digging a little deeper from the demographics to their psychographics. It will include things like their challenges, pain points, goals and values, and also the sources of their information, like what kind of books they read, what kind of magazines do they read, what kind of blogs they usually go on, what are the conferences they usually attend, as well as what kind of people they actually follow in their real life. Now finally, we just need to figure out their objections as well as their role in the buying process. Once you have identified your target audience, we can just move down to step number 2, which is just to identify what you will do to create value for them. For this, you need to write down each and every benefit of a product as well as the problem it solves for our ideal customer, because we as human beings buy for only 2 reasons: either to gain pleasure or to avoid pain. Once you have figured out who your target audience is and what are you going to do for them to create value for them, then there is just one step to the puzzle that is supposed to be attached, that is how you will communicate that value to them. Now this is pretty simple, as you have already figured out what their sources of information are. Based upon that, you can figure out the channels which will be best to communicate the value to them. Communicating the value, just keep this 3-step sales process in mind. First, you need to make your customer aware about your product or service. Then you need to convert them into a paid buyer, and from there you can start engaging them in order to convert the existing buyer into repeat purchases. So that's it from my side. Now I want to turn it over to you. How are you planning to market your business? Or if you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. As you have already acquired the customer, first, getting paid by अबे यार ये तो मतलब I'm going to share 10 actionable digital marketing tips. कहाँ से आ जाती है बार बार? तुम लोग हंसाना बंद करोगे तो वीडियो बना ले आज.